this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing for the surprise giveaway challenge. That is, well, it was a spontaneous giveaway challenge, and the papers you could work with and enter were the monthly November collage papers. And I have the wheel with the names, and I'm going to spin the wheel one time, and the person's names that pops up is going to be the winner of a Christmas kit. But that is actually, I think it's my second Christmas kit I ever made, and that is December to Remember. And yeah, I want to thank everybody for joining in. It's going to be a very quick video because I have tons of things to do, and I also need to go, well, I actually need to be in bed at this time because I'm traveling tomorrow at 5 a.m. in the morning. And it's already past 10 over here. So, and I still need to do a lot of things. But I really wanted to do the video today because I'm not able to do it at any point in the next days. So, I also included the design team members, as I am pretty sure, I don't think they have that kit yet. But in any case, if you already have purchased the December to Remember kit in my Etsy before, because I can see that on your account, then we can negotiate to get a different kit. But the new Christmas kit, that is not included, but any other kits until 2024 are. It has to be a Christmas kit. Yes, let's give it a spin, and the person's name who pops up is the winner. And if you are a winner, please contact me via my Etsy store. Really important that you contact me via my Etsy store, because not in Messenger, because I miss a lot of messages over there. And Darlene Holt, she is the winner of the December to Remember kit. Maybe I can show you a quick shot of that kit. One moment, please. So this is the kit, December to Remember. I made it in 2021, and I'm very well aware that I made it because that was around the time that my father-in-law passed away. And I just finished the kit, or I just was working on it. I don't know anymore, but I made it in October 2021. I'm just clicking over the images so you can see which one it is. But there's also a video, if I'm correct. Yes, it has tickets with the dates. And I really like this kit. I have a video where I made a project with it. Look, these are the papers. And yeah, it's an older kit, but I absolutely love it. It was upside down. Okay, it's going on repeat, so. But yes, the winner of this giveaway can receive this kit, and I will send the link via Etsy Store and via a WeTransfer link. So I'm going to get that ready, and then when you message me, I'm able to send it to you. There will be a slight delay because, like I said, I'm going away on a trip, and I'm leaving very, very early in the morning. And I do not have, I'm not sure when I have Wi-Fi again, but it will be within 24 hours for sure. So I will catch that message, but give me a few days to get the papers over to you. So thank you all for joining in, and I hope you still are working with the Inkstain Archives papers, because we are in the 4th week. I'm seeing so much beautiful makes, but I'm so behind with commenting, and I'm so sorry about that. I'm a bad group owner, I know. But I was also working on the December papers and preparing the December event, because that will start on the 2nd of December. But more details will follow on the 2nd of December. And yes, thank you all for joining in. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you the next time. Leave a like, leave a comment. Stay safe. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye-bye. Bye.